Para sa GMA Integrated News, Mav Gonzalez nakatutok, 24 oras.
Daddy Ilonggo and Mommy is Tagalog. We grew up at home speaking English. Una, hirap akong mag-Tagalog o Filipino. Sa school, I decided early on, I think in first year high school, to learn more national language. May terror teacher kami noon in Filipino. I forced myself to recite kahit balbal yung Tagalog or Filipino ko noon. When it came to junior and senior high school, I took our classes on Noli and Philly with the Filipino text. Hindi ko ginamit yung English. Lalo na nung college, kinuha ko talaga yung mga philosophy classes in Filipino so that I could learn how in our own language. Kahit nga, di ba noon sito sa college, 4 na semester tayo ng Spanish, beginning to learn how to think in Spanish. Kaya lang, wala nang kapractice mula nun, so nalimutan ko na. I too easily shift from English to Filipino until now. And I also love learning other Philippine languages. Ilocano in the north, a bit of Arabic, Muslim Mindanao. So, ganon yun. I'm intentional about if the person I'm conversing with to or ask me something in English or in Filipino, I usually open with that language. Dati intentional, kaya siguro dahil broadcast person ka, journalist ka, you can see the shift. Almost over the years, more and more naturally, lumilipat talaga ako sa Filipino para rin mas marami kaagad makasama sa conversation. Well, in terms of language, I guess isa sa mga nanguna to Filipino and slowly, hopefully, other Philippine languages onto the broadcast media stage would be, people like Randy David, also Butchabad, in Street Pulse, which I later joined, and Randy, Public Forum, Public Live, Randy David. And because of all the furor, storm, parang super typhoon about trolls, which we were talking about earlier, formation. Well, I'm glad that you remind us that another important issue to recognize and think about and maybe push forward this issue of language and languages in broadcast media. May iba nga tayo mga kapitbahay na bansa tulad ng Indonesia, very vibrant community radios, di ba? Kung sa iba't ibang probinsya at isla nila, they have. Sigurado, those are in the local languages aside from the national language of. Nako, salamat Sito. I really, in every industry and every profession, that standards never go out of style. We may hate them as we must, as the world changes around us. Sabi mo nga kanina, broadcasting itself, journalism has changed so much, but standards should never go out of style. Criteria at the entry level for entry into any profession or any industry, especially something as important as world-changing as journalism, as broadcast media. I never would agree to censorship. I think it's always about self-regulation, whether in traditional media or in social media, and especially in combating vile misinformation and disinformation. And just talking about current affairs, nalungkot ako nung nabalitaan ko, for example, na hindi na matutuloy yung isang joint venture between ABS-CBN and TV5 kasi hindi lang bilang legislator at taga-suporta ng freedom of the press, bilang manonood at tagapakinig, I had looked forward to the merging of those two, content creation and infrastructure by the law through a franchise. At lalo na dahil ang mga balita ay hindi na daw matutuloy yon because of political pressures. Oh my gosh, yun na nga yung nagdali sa franchise ng ABS-CBN noon para yun ang maging hadlang ulit. Reflowering of mass media in the Philippines. Nasa mga panahon ngayon, ang dami nating democracy challenges pa rin. Actually, and fair enough that assertion. Kaya live issue nga yung kailangan pa rin ba na kami sa Kongreso mag-issue ng franchise so that broadcast media entities can operate, especially at a time that freedom of the press has been and is still so besieged. I think that issue will not easily be laid to rest, especially after this recent development, and especially recognizing na sa media are the fourth estate in any democracy, whether more developed or, as Nathan Kimpo calls it, our Philippine contested.
Tumuto ka sa Soko, Scene of the Crime, Operative, ngayong Sabado, 4:30 ng hapon.